They're off in the Yaddo. Lady KREESA came out well from the inside. Invading Humor and Discreet Mark is right up and on the pace too. These three out for the lead together. Old Harbor is away running in fourth. Forever for Always fifth. Selenite sixth early on. And then it's Swear By It followed by Chrysolite, the Teacups, and Unbelievable Dream trails the field. Lady KREESA on top on the first turn. Invading Humor pressing the pace through a 23 and 3 opening quarter mile. They're going along quickly. And the big favorite Discreet Mark will sit third as they race on to the backstretch and is 4 lengths from the pace setter. Then it's Old Harbor in fourth, followed by Forever for Always. Selenite to the inside. Break of another 2. Back to Swear By It, who is 2.5 lengths ahead of Unbelievable Dream, who's making a bit of progress up the backstretch. Then it's Chrysolite and the Teacups, 47 and 3 for Lady KREESA, who carries her speed to the far turn. And Invading Humor is 3/4 of a length behind, and Discreet Mark is a bit closer now. She's 3 off the lead, moving for the turn. Then Old Harbor. Selenite's got 5 lengths to gain. And then comes Swear By It as they swing around the far turn. Unbelievable Dream, the Teacups, Forever for Always in Chrysolite. And up front, here comes Discreet Mark now to the far outside. Invading Humor goes with her as Lady KREESA gives way on the inside. And here comes Selenite into the mix. And Old Harbor's trying to find some running room, squeezing through traffic. And here comes the Teacups on the far outside. And Discreet Mark is beaten here. Here comes Old Harbor up the rail. And on the outside, the Teacups. And the Teacups gets up to win the Yaddo. And then it was Old Harbor, Selenite, and Swear By It.